So you've got that web app that you absolutely love using, but you just hate having to open the browser. Well, in this tip, I'm going to show you how you can install that web app as a Windows app on your computer. So it's quick access to get into that app that you like so much. In this case, I'm going to show you the Microsoft Planner app. This is the app that we use to keep a track of our tasks. It's tasks.microsoft.com, but you can do this with any web app. And once you have it open and loaded up, you should be able to see your data there. These are my tasks that I have ready to go. And I'm going to convert this into a Windows app. And to do this in Edge, it only works in Microsoft Edge. You need to go up to the options menu in the top right, the three dots, and you go down to the apps option on that menu, and the sub menu that opens up will have the option install this site as an app. And if we click on this, it will install this web app as a Windows app. I'll show you what that means. If we rename this now, it asks you what now. I'm just going to call it Planner rather than Microsoft Planner. I like it nice and short. And we'll say yes, okay. And it asks us, do we want a shortcut on the start menu of the taskbar? Yes, we do. I'm going to allow that. And you'll see now it looks slightly different. We've still got the browser open there with our tab. And it's just like an Edge tab, but in its own window. And if I close that down, and I go to my start menu, you'll see that I have a new icon there in my start menu called Planner. I click on it, and it opens up my app as a Windows app rather than a web app. A nice quick way to access those web apps that you really like to use.